Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DinoLFG token. Ticker symbol is DINO. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap earlier today. I was looking at it when it first got listed. It was up about 29%, and now it's up 291%. It's doing amazing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. The DinoLFG token. Ticker symbol is DINO. So, DinoLFG.com is their official webpage. You can find their Etherscan listed here on CoinMarketCap. They also have a Twitter available on here, which is at DinoLFG. Price chart, contract address, all of that is available. Token is just exploding today. Right now it's up 308.34%. So this token, you can get this by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and trading your Ethereum for the DINO token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. You could also find it on their Etherscan, which is listed on CoinMarketCap, or their official webpage, DinoLFG.com. Now, you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, if you go to their official webpage, you can find a Buy Now button that will take you to Uniswap. You can find their Etherscan on their webpage, a DEX Tools chart. Their Telegram is there, which is at DinoLFG as well, and their Twitter, frequently asked questions, roadmap, tokenomics, and info. So DINO is a meme coin with a very strong utility. The biggest issue with meme coins is the lack of utility and use cases. DINO is here to fix these issues. We are aiming to bring a lot of use cases and utility to DINO holders. All you need to do is sit back and relax. With the DINO token, our focus is to build a strong community. This is why we plan to hold many games and give our users many crypto tips, which can be found on our Telegram and Twitter on a regular basis. So the tokenomics here, they have a total supply of 333,333,333 tokens. 95% of those tokens will be going over to Uniswap, and 5% will be going to marketing. Now, it says there is no tax, so I guess you do not have to set slippage. And it says there is no mint function, and liquidity is locked for 1 full year. So it says utility and use cases, which are pretty much the same thing. We are constantly working hard in order to add DINO tokens to the main platform as a form of payment. You'll be able to purchase many items with the DINO token. You also have a staking and buyback burning mechanism. Now, the roadmap on here, it says launch DINO tokens and the website and social media, building the community, and phase 1 of marketing. So that's phase 1 of the roadmap. Phase 2 is going to be CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listing, introduction to the buyback and burn mechanism, and phase 2 of marketing. Phase 3 of the roadmap is going to be utility and use case introduction, central exchange listings, phase 3 of the marketing. Stage 4 is going to be staking introductions, DINO NFT collection, and phase 4 of the marketing. So they said they have a lack of utility and use cases is the problem with meme tokens. But then if you look at this one, What is the utilities? It says utility and use case introduction. It doesn't even really tell you what it's going to be. Now, the only utilities really that I could see here is that they have on their roadmap anyways. They do burning. That's not really a utility or anything, but staking and an NFT collection. So that's basic. So that's way less than a lot of meme coins have. A lot of meme coins have like play to earn or watch to earn or some kind of, earning function. They might have a game involved, some sort of dApps like a swap, all sorts of things. So this is kind of lacking actually if you're talking about meme coin utility. So frequently asked questions, what can you do with DINO? Exactly. Not only will you be able to stake, but you can buy real world products, but also purchase gift cards. You will literally be able to live on DINO. I wish they would explain, though, in more depth on how they plan to do that, where they plan to do that, what you could buy, like that type of stuff. Yeah, so what's special about DINO? DINO is not your regular meme coin. In the pipeline, we're going to be adding a lot of real world utility, which I guess is unnamed, and use cases like shopping and special services. We aim to be a meme coin only from a community standpoint, etc. Can I stake my DINO? Yes, you can. Are you going to burn DINO? Yes, we will be burning in the future. Stay tuned for that. Is the supply of DINO fixed? Yes. We already went over that too. What kind of marketing do you plan? It says our aim and goal is to spread the word about DINO as much as possible. To do this, we will use Twitter influencers, Telegram communities, and YouTubers, etc. And will DINO be on central exchanges? It says yes. They're going to explore future options, but they don't tell you which exchanges yet. Now, their Twitter has 152 tweets, but it's been around since October 2021, so it's a pretty old Twitter. 2,954 followers on their Twitter. It says DINO aiming to be the best meme utility token out there. DINO is live. They have the roadmap on their Twitter as their pinned tweet here. It says they're listed on Ethereum. They're also listed on Uniswap. They're also listed on Gems Radar. And then CoinMarketCap today. I think they're on CoinGecko as well. I don't know if that says that here. But yeah, CoinGecko as well. Zero buy tax. Dex Tools top trending. So it was trending on Dex Tools. So that's cool. Besides that, not too much info on this token really. They're just basically saying there will be stuff coming out in the future. So I guess we'll have to wait and see for that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about the DINO token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.